Welcome. I just got back from the grocery store and I wanted to talk to you about my grocery haul today from Vallarta, our Latin supermarket, because it's been a while. Today I spent $68 at Vallarta. I was buying a little bit of meat and it was not kosher meat since we are doing kosher style cooking here in our house. But if you take that aside, pretty much everything else here is vegetarian and or kosher. You can get a lot of variety for your family, a ton of healthy foods and fresh foods and foods from all over the world by shopping at these smaller chain markets or ethnic markets. And in particular, I wanted to talk to you about my unusual produce because I would say that varying and rotating the types of vegetables and fruits that I buy is my number one tip for getting my kids to try and eat different kinds of fruits and veggies. So because I'm not stocking the house every week with strawberries, they have to eat what they get, or at least try what I offer them. And sometimes it's just so odd and unusual that they really actually do want to try it. I just wanted to call your attention to the wonderful mangoes that are in season right now. Yesterday, if I had gone, these were 4 for $1. Today they were 3 for $1. They were still a great value and I picked up 6 of them. Avocados, they're small ones, and I picked these up for 50 cents a piece. These I think were 50 or 60 cents a piece. These are the Chayote Squash, and if you like squash or sort of like squash, I would say these are some of the most delicious squash that are much more firm and crisp when you cook them for your family. Beautiful sweet potatoes, very reasonably priced onions, and then my really interesting produce is right here. This week I picked up fava beans, which involve a little bit of work, but they're very special seasonal fava bean. I have a whole video on these fresh chickpeas and I'll show you a close-up of these. I will link up the video for how I pan fry these in their jackets. They're pretty reasonably priced. I spent about $3 on a giant bag of them. And this is going to be a fun dinner treat as our green vegetable tonight. I also picked up for 89 cents a pound beautiful bok choy. My children love it. It's very neutral and mild with a little bit of soy sauce or salt. A giant jicama, a very reasonable dragon fruit for a little over $3 today. And then I pick up things that are not particularly Latin, like these mini bagels that I really can't find anywhere else. I did pick up some specialty Latin things like this mole to try, queso fresco. I stocked up on my sour cream. Eggs were $2.50 for 18 eggs, so I got 2 of those. Cilantro for 33 cents a bunch. And then these are even kosher. The Goya brand beans are kosher. I picked up 2 of these enormous cans. They were 2 cans for $5 because I'm planning to make my own hummus coming up this season. And every kind of tortilla under the sun you can find, and they're fresh made on site. So those were the kind of special, exciting items that I picked up. Oh, I also have tomatillos that I got, which I'm gonna roast in the oven with some of my onions, cilantro I'll put in afterwards, and do a fresh salsa for my family. That is what we are cooking for this week. For $68, I feel like I got a lot of value, especially in the healthy, fresh, and produce categories. And if you shop at Latin markets and have favorite items that you like to buy there, let me know down below. Let me know if you'd like more cooking videos about the unusual produce. I will have a kohlrabi video coming for you, and I will link up the fresh chickpeas video if you're curious about those. As always, thank you for being here. Take care, and I hope you have a delicious week. Bye-bye.